Okay. So myself Vidya, I would like to introduce myself. So I will going to provide a performance testing and engineering training. So I'm going to talk about load runner and JMeter tools. So load runner means it's not only the load runner, or JMeter means it not only the JMeter. So I have also teach end-to-end performance testing, whatever nowadays in interviews, whatever they are expecting. Like even it includes monitoring tools, or like APM tools, and also profiling tools like performance tuning and engineering part, and also the various type of CI/CD pipelines, that is Jenkins, and also Grafana. I'm going to talk. Apart from that, the all complete JMeter elements and all the load runner, whatever the expected expectations that can meet nowadays in the interviews, all the topics I'm going to cover. Even it includes challenges as well. So, I would like to introduce myself. I'm Vidya. I'm having total 12 plus years of experience in IT industry. So, I have worked on both service-based as well as product-based organizations. And also, I'm proficient on performance testing and engineering with the various tools like JMeter, Load Runner, NeoLoad also I have worked on, and also VSTS. All these tools I have worked on, and I have involved on end-to-end performance testing life cycle. So as you know, it includes complete planning, designing, scripting, test executions, and sharing the report. So I'm also worked on various protocols like web HTTP, HTML, Flex, True Client, Web Services, JDBC, FTP, DNS, LDAP, Bolt connection. So we have different protocols, right? Almost 70% of the protocols I have worked on. And also I have worked on log monitoring tools. I can say it is a Splunk or AWR reports or any point, or the Dynatrace, Perfmon. So these are the different type of tools I have worked on. Even I know like basic coding languages like Java and VB scripting. So by using that, I have done automatic report process. So even I have involved on various new automation ideas, like giving the ideas and implementing the automation ideas. And also I have involved on in engineering part, I can say. So engineering part means if any issue will happens, why this issue is coming, and what is the root cause of that issue, and how to resolve that. So this part I have involved, and also like thread dumps, heap dumps, garbage collections, and profiling. All this part I have involved on. So this is a little bit introduction about myself, and these are my achievements. You can see here. So I got secured first place in the academics whenever I'm on BTech college days. I have received a gold medal from, as you know, our honorable previously, she was a minister, like Sabita Indra Reddy. So I have received a gold medal. And also, I have received many work excellence award, hardworking award, innovation achievement ideas award, and also like silver medal I have got of whenever I have provided a new idea of automating a report generation. So at that time, I have received a silver medal as well. So this is about my accolades and achievements. So coming to success record, like with my training. So these are the old list of candidates. So after this, lot of candidates got placed with my training. So it should be like with my support, at the same time you are learning also. I'm going to teach everything, but from your end I need a support. Like whatever I will provide a task, whatever I will provide you to do, all these things should be done by your end. So whoever follow my classes from day one, whoever complete the tasks from day to day, they can easily crack their job. Okay, so I will help you to get you a job. Even interview questions, guidance, all the things will be there. So a lot of people got placed in good MNC. So few people only I have listed here. Even I hope everyone is seeing my status, right? Whenever a candidate can place in any organization, I will put a status. So like that. So my main aim or motto of this training is to set up your career in performance testing. So any degree candidates can take a training like any BTech, MCA, MSc, BCA, BSc computers, any full degree, any any candidate you can pursue this training. And also whoever recent year passed out or whoever is having gaps, any manual testing you're doing. So nowadays, manual testing has less demand, right? Compared to the other languages or other testings domains. So they can easily learn this and they can move the domain change like manual to ETL, yes, or manual to performance or ETL to performance. Even who is having BPO non-IT employees, they can also change their domain from non-IT to IT technical side. So these people can easily take a training. Okay, so if you have any basic skills, that will be fine. If you don't have, also fine. Even I'm going to talk Java or SQL, all these things in the class itself, not at all a problem. Okay, so I would like to give you an a placement assistance. I told you, right? Whoever followed my training, whoever follow my guidance, definitely I will help you to place you in a good MNC. Okay, so I will help you how to attend the interview, how to apply the resume, how to apply the resume in job portals, preparing the resume, everything I will help you. Okay, so and also the course duration for these two tools like JMeter and for the course duration will be like one tool. Like if you can take any JMeter, it will be up to 40 to 45 days. Coming to load runner, it will be like around 30 to 35 days. Almost total it will be 3 months. The complete training duration will be 3 months. And so coming to the remuneration, how was the salaries for this performance testing in the market? Okay. So if you can take any service based companies like TCS, Capgemini, Wipro, Tech Mahindra, all these are service based, right? So if you can take service based organizations, freshers you can easily get up to 3.5 to 4.5 LPA. And who is having experience of 3 plus years, you can earn up to 10 to 12 lakhs per annum. So this is how the salary structure. If you can go with service based companies, if you can select any product based companies like ADP, Thomson, Colruyt, ServiceNow, JP Morgan, Wells, all these are the different kind of product based companies. Product based companies, there is no client interviews at all. Okay, if you choose a product based company, you are working for that particular own product. You don't have any client interviews, or you don't have, like for example, if you can take service based, 4 months 5 months you can do the for that project. After that again you need to attend the client interview and you need to join into that other client. But coming to product based, it is not like that. You don't have any client interview, such kind of thing. Directly they will take you to the organization. You have to work for that particular organization how many days you want. They will never remove you like ex service based. That is the reason the salary is also very high. Freshers itself 4 to 5 lakh, that is the old package. Nowadays it will be like around 6 plus for freshers, and for 3 plus years it is up 15 plus. But the getting calls from product based is little complicated. Once you receive a call, definitely you can get a good salaries and you will have a good future than service based. So I would like to show you the course content. So I will also share you the link for the course content. So you can just go through by yourself. Yeah. So this is how my course content. In this JMeter, you can see the core to advanced level day-wise topics I have listed. So almost, if you can see all the topics, it will took almost 53 days, I can say, like almost 1.5 month. So it might be like, I can say not exactly these days. Okay, it may be before or after. It may be take more than these days or less than these days, because all the topics I have to cover and all the things I have to explain. That is the reason. Okay, so this is how my course content, and my teaching style is also different, and I will explain the complicated topics into very simplified manner. So this is how the JMeter course content. If you want, you can see. Oh, excuse me. This is the load runner course content. Compared to JMeter, load runner has less elements. That is the reason. Sorry. So that is the reason the content will be little less. Okay. So if you can go through this, these are the main, like if a new project will come to you, what are the things you have to do? And if already existing project is came to you, what are the things you have to do? All these things will be included here. So you can go through the brief course content here. So okay, this is about the course content. And coming to which tools you have to learn. Okay, so for example, I'm a fresher. I want so then you have to learn any one tool. So I can suggest JMeter is a good preferred tool, because nowadays almost 95% of the market is having high demand on JMeter tool. Okay, so if you have a 2 years of experience, okay, so any one tool is enough. I say like it is a JMeter, but you have to learn Dynatrace or AppDynamics. That is suggestible. Coming to 3 years, you have to learn two tools. One tool is not at all enough. You have to learn two tools like JMeter and the load runner with APM tool and monitoring tool as well. It is a Grafana or Dynatrace. You have to learn this. So this is about the tools which you have to learn based on the experience. Exclusive features of my training. Okay, my training will be completely real time. Okay, and I will give you a company project. So real time project I will give you. You have to practice on this. I will give you a demo applications. Okay, first you have to do that. Slowly I will go through the real time project. So everyone should do it and submit it to me. That is my exclusive feature. And also I will going to teach a new application. Even WebTools, JPEG, that is a common one. But another application we have, I will teach you the demo application as well. And you will have a question and answer session whenever a class starts. First, you can clear your doubts, questions. If you need any practical session, I will definitely take the practical session. And also I have included the POC and FR test plan. All these documents I will show you the real time. Okay, and the my scripting style will be, explanation will be very simplified and easy manner. And I will cover whenever I am teaching the class, I will tell this is the important interview question, you have to note it down. Okay, I will also tell you the agile model, because nowadays everyone expectation is agile model, Jira board. So how to use that, that is also I will going to cover in the class. And also like any competitor tools, so that is also I will cover. I will give you a scripting for hands-on. Okay. And practical scripting challenges I will cover. So almost in my experience, whatever the challenges I have experienced or I have faced, all the challenges I have covered, I will cover in the class. And even bean shell. Bean shell means, so in this performance testing, we will have only the 5% coding, I can say, compared to the other tools. I cannot say it is a zero coding, but low coding in the sense 5%. That is also based on the situation. So I will also cover JDBC, FTP, all this as part of our training, and even API testing also I will show you. And the VTS, VTS means simple table server or virtual table server. I will show you this, and workload modeling, how to calculate the pacing. and UI performance test designing and executing. Like nowadays web vitals everyone is asking in interviews. So I will also cover that part, and results analysis, bottleneck identification, dyno trace graph, and all these things I am going to cover in the as a part of the training. Apart from JMeter load runner, I can say it is an end-to-end guidance to you, okay, to achieve your goal. So yes, before explaining about what is performance testing, why we need to use, before this, I would like to talk about our training activities. Okay, so these are completely online trainings, and Monday to Saturday we have a classes. Okay, so our class timings was morning 9:30 to 10:30, and doubt sessions if you are having any doubts or you need any practical sessions. Okay, so it is will be conducted depending upon your requirement. Okay, for example, I have given you a complicated task, you're unable to do, you're having lot of doubts. So at the day, if everyone will agree, then I will proceed with practical session. And also I will help you resume preparation, uploading the resume on different job portals. Okay. And also I will provide you interview guidance. Mock interviews will be there. So based on mock interviews, I can able to understand how fast how you are learning. So this is our training activities. Okay, these are the listed of tools that I am going to cover as a part of our training. So let me show you one by one. Okay, this is how the JMeter tool will looks like. Once we done the scripting, you can see here how it looks like. So this is a tool. Okay, in this tool, if you have to learn the process, how to do the process. If you know the process, everywhere it should be similar. But you have to understand the process, how to get this script or steps, and how to customize this. So this is a tool, this is the JMeter tool. So coming to load runner, here you can see the blue icon, green icon, and yellow icon. These three will be used for load runner. So this yellow icon symbol represents to use for a scripting, and green one is used to run the test, and blue one is used to see the results. But coming to JMeter, all these three parts will be there in this single tool itself. There is no additional tool is required for this. In the single tool, all the things will be included. Okay. And virtual table server is inbuilt in this. Like if it is a JMeter, in the JMeter it will be there. If it is a load runner, inside of the tool it was already there. And I will also talk about URL encoder decoder. What is the purpose of this? I will talk about this based on the situation, and also I will talk about Fiddler. All the softwares I will provide in the drive. So as you all know already, Fiddler is a network traffic capturing tool. Okay. So this is how the Fiddler tool looks. How to use, I will talk in the coming classes. And we have another tool called that is Bad Boy. Okay, so this is how the Bad Boy tool looks like, and by seeing here we can use for JMeter. In coming classes I will show you how to use this. And also F12, if you click on F12 in your browser, you can call this as a developer tools. This is also I will cover as part of our training. And if you see this red button, that is the extension, we can call it as a blaze meter. So I will also talk about this blaze meter, how to record, how to do this, how to use this. Okay. And also I will going to show you Postman. So I hope everyone know Postman is used for performance API testing, web services. So for web services, we will use this API testing Postman. So I will help you how to use this. Okay. So this is about Postman, how to use, how to run test, all these things. I will show you in the coming classes. And apart from that, everyone know, right? GitHub. So GitHub looks like this. So how to use this GitHub, how to copy this, all the things I will cover in the coming classes. Okay. And also for API testing, I will cover Swagger APIs, how to use Swagger. Okay, that Swagger also I will cover in the coming classes. This is how the Swagger UI looks like. I will cover in coming classes about the Swagger. And also, let me show you how the Grafana, all these things. So I will also help you for Tomcat, how to install Tomcat and how to use this. Okay. And this is how the competitor tool, how to use the competitor tool also I will cover. And Jira board. Jira is the another tool. So nowadays everyone is following the Jira board and Agile. So this one also I will cover. And I will also cover InfluxDB, and also I will cover Prometheus. These are all the cloud based, and I will also cover Grafana. Okay. So, and I will also cover Jenkins. We can call this as a CI/CD pipeline, continuous integration, continuous deployment. Okay. And I would like to show you, we need to start the server, then only we can able to see the Grafana and other things. I will also talk about JVisual VM. Okay. So JVisual VM means we have to use this for thread dumps and heap dumps. Okay. How to collect and what are the things we have to look into it. So I will also talk about this, and garbage collection also I will talk. And very very basic things like how to use command prompt, how to use Excel, how to use Word, all these things also I will cover as part of training. So I can say it is a very basic to advanced level of training. And for Dynatrace, I will give you my office work video. I will share it with you in the YouTube. Okay. So because it is a confidential, that is the reason Dynatrace I will share you in the how I will start my work, and end to end I will show you one project with test executions and also the results, and I will share you Dynatrace video with you. Okay. So this is about complete end to end training tools that I have used. Apart from that, I will give you a document access. Okay. So this is the drive folder. Whoever's done the fee payments, I will give you a full access for the drive. So by so by using this, you can easily see whatever the things that you need. So this is for course content folder. This is the demo. Whatever today I have discussed, that is there in the demo folder. And from tomorrow, we will start with the basics. So the basics document will be here. So it is something like very basic things. I hope everyone already know, but still, my duty is to explain all the things. So very basic things it will be. Okay. And once basics was completed, so I have divided into 4 modules. Performance testing. So first module 1. So I told right how to prepare the main documents. What is POC, NFR, how to do. Okay. So those will be there in the module 1, and with the documentation it is there. And coming to module 2, what type of projects I'm going to discuss about. Okay. So these are all the projects that I have listed here. So you can see the projects. and also the detailed steps also included, and how to install. Yeah, am I audible right? In between it got disconnected. Okay, so all the software installation and each and every tool wise document is here. The detailed documents you can see it on module 2. This for scripting part, and module 3 for test executions. So these are all the important documents that are there, and module 4 is engineering part. Okay, so these are all the detailed documents, and important Java programs also I have listed in the document. You can see that, and also demo projects softwares, like I will help you to set up the architecture. I will help you to install the architecture. Okay, so demo shop, pet store, Kona cart, web tours, so all the softwares I will help you to install in your system. And also demo project scripts also there, already who have already done in the previous batches. Scripts is there, and all the interview questions you can see, the videos and the documents is available here, and all the day to day notes I will share in the WhatsApp. The notes I will show you for the sample. So this is how the notes looks like. So day 1, whatever the things I am going to explain, and day 2, whatever the things I explained, day 3. So these are like topic wise, day wise, whatever I have explained in the class. So all the topics I will put it a notes like this day wise, and I will share you in the WhatsApp. So this is how the notes and practices. Whenever I give you a task, you have to just create a folder here, and you need to submit your task. And if you see the real time project, so my real time company projects I have uploaded here, scenarios and scripts, you can see it. Okay, and resumes also here. You can download the resumes and you can start preparing your resume. Okay, and also scripts. So in JMeter, how many elements you have, that many elements scripts I have put it here. Even coding, Bean coding, challenges, every end to end, I can say point to point, all the scripts is here. And all the softwares will be located here. Based on the situation, I will tell you how to install the softwares. And test data setup, how to do the test data setup. And also I forgot to tell you, MySQL also I will show you. Already it was there in my system. So how to install, how to use, how to write the queries also I will cover. And also user manual for JMeter will be added here. So this is the drive access. Notes is different, complete end-to-end document is different, and videos. If you see here, all the videos will be uploaded on YouTube on daily basis. Once you give in a mail ID and mobile number, I will add you here so that you can able to access the videos. For example, today I have done class. Okay, I will share you immediately the Zoom link. You can see the videos, and after some time I will upload all the videos here. So you can see the videos here like this. So you can see the YouTube channel videos, and this is how you can see it. Okay, and also another important thing I would like to include here. So I will share my YouTube channel link. Please subscribe to the channel so that once I uploaded a video, you will get a alert. That is the important thing I would like to include. Apart from this demo, if you need more information, you can go through few videos that are already there, like basics videos also there in the video YouTube channel. Just go through that as well. Okay, and for this YouTube channel thing, whatever the mail ID you will provide it to me, you have to log in the YouTube. with that mail ID. Then only you can able to see the videos. That is the important thing. So any questions, any doubts if you have, just you can ask me now. Any questions, any doubts apart from the, you can feel free to ask me now. From tomorrow, I will start what is performance testing, what is the use, why we need to do the performance test. So all these things we will discuss in the tomorrow class. And the basics, like from tomorrow, I will go with what is performance testing, what is the use, what is the purpose. And from Monday, we will continue the actual classes. No one has no doubts, questions? So I'm telling you now itself, in my class, everyone should be interactive, everyone should talk. Then only I can understand, yes, you are able to learning, you are having doubts. If you are sitting calm and I'm not sure how you are learning, and if you have doubts also, I'm unable to clear, right? That is the reason everyone should be interactive. That is my main aim.
Okay.
So, yeah, every batch people will be grouped together, like two people or three people grouped together, and they are trying to doing a practice. For example, in out of 20 members, one student is completed the task early. Okay, so he has to help others as well whenever he has a time. I'm not telling he was busy, he should help. Whenever you have a time, you can help other students. So that way you will get more doubts, more questions, so that you can easily learn the tool. Good then. Thanks everyone for joining the demo. I will upload this demo for now in the YouTube channel. Just go through the YouTube channel link. And if you have any friends, colleagues, if you would like to refer, please refer. I will share my contact number here. Yeah. And anyone is not there in the WhatsApp group, just please share your mobile number here so that I will add you in the group. I will share you the complete content and videos, everything in the group daily basis.